guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
That punani they do for your body when they knock you and you know say your husband dey house. You go see they mourn. I hear say you see they scream. You they mourn. Olakoko woyi o asemagbona. Who be atu enjoy ekiere. Fine, I hear kill that for oye tuwe oye na toothpick. We know. But don't what only can when why did you allow your husband to use you? Wait, fact, borrow a bena. Whoa, anania, wuhan Olakoko. Now you useless, so. Now you useless because it no concern your husband. It no concern your husband. Your husband tell you say make you come use your body take big agia for her. Really? And you accepted. Please, guys, share this video. You accepted to be using your body. Take the hustle for your husband. No. You are a useless woman. How can you just lie down? Another man go just they knock you ratatatata for your husband house. Oh, one other fun baje. Are you not a cursed woman? Even if now your husband can't broke pass for this life, even if now your husband can't useless pass, can't you divorce that man and leave? How can my husband use me to make money for himself? Person go call your husband. He go they negotiate. How much I won't give your wife? I won't fuck him. You are a stupid woman. You are a useless woman. You don't get sense. You allowed yourself to be used by your husband. Where the winner? Our woman will go do 8 hours for work since you come back from work. You go feel even knock your husband, let alone say another man. So tell you they knock on top of pregnancy. Auntie, who do you? Ije, who do me this one? Olakoko wife, who do you? Awona Olakoko. Olakoko, Osala negeya biya. Well, because I don't understand this kind of human being. How you go they use your wife till they collect money? A home man, a Ebony man. He don't use his wife. They could stay do Sarah. If you're even sleeping with that kind of a woman, but where you wear your body, if you stand up for your wife, knowing fully well that woman is using herself for prostituting. Where here go egbe because to hoa. Egbe because no girl here. So Olakoko wife, your husband no get sense. You know see get sense. Why not they do like this now? You and your husband they do this kind of rubbish for his ass. Now una go carry people come and they saga people. They saga gbogbo avagbon. Ava hear you wa. You and your husband. Who are here laying me with wa? Pe mo yin le luwa. How dare you? A married man using his own maybe only there. Oh, I never heard this kind one before. This AC is not working well. Where's my small hand fan? Is in the car. Get it for me in the car. Eh? Olakoko, this one pass also. This one pass me, oh. I must use this your lifestyle to do film. If you don't see yourself for movie in the next few months, you know say I not be Ebony. If I not use Olakoko story to do film, you know say I not be Ebony or Basu. Yeah, we be film. And the title will be Olakoko. Amunye the title. If me as you work be film, your true life story, yeah, be film. Why would they get Olakoko arrested? He wife family na the wife na momo na baby. As they are too lazy, as they are too useless, they're supposed to use this together. Which matured human being, which normal woman, truth be told, Olakoko wife, another person is punani day yeah. Una no say Olakoko tina so it be. Toothpick. He no reach the woman. The woman no fit come on leave her. On a one opportunity one ni wa akun go nu e. E go ni egwa no ekia ni ini ani ekia ni waro a Olakoko uri alua uwowo uzanza uohua. Uwo ma gbon uwo hu. Fun enu shoeless woman. Anyway ho. No wonder the woman no be better person, a useless woman. Now make sure they fit sit down. Her husband go they insult other women. Any woman wey responsible no fit stand. May her husband insult other women for nothing. Imagine the useless Olakoko. Then we zuo se o hama ego we tie me de. Olakoko when we zuo se online, you've never called my number. You can't call me. Now so one useless presenter, one hopeless presenter. When you say be name message, useless, dirty looking woman. Just write me for WhatsApp. They threaten me say na so wanting. Ogun beluwa unero online. Una they mad. Eh na gele yogun vioni vie generation re. Who send you na? I don't send you na papa o. I don't send you na. Ebony ya arobi meme egwe ya oda meme gbe. Oh, one presenter carry me come out and call you call they pay me. He dey craze. As he dey pay una, he go dey sweet me. As he dey pay una, he go dey sweet me. Oh, meme father gbe atana yan please. If two mad people meet each other, now just for they know them. As soon as I know where me and myself, mema already mema we baberio. I go produce Olakoko film. And I go tattoo ram or don't know who. Or don't know who. Now take tattoo ram. Now take tattoo ram or don't know who. Part 1 to 10. Season 1 to 10. Here one go Olakoko. Sorry, you get angry. They know ya hohua from Nigeria. They know ya zua from Nigeria. They know ya mweki gwe ariye Europe. Izanzeya. Olakoko we ma uwe. You don't know your mates. Where my you were? That useless essay when saying a presenter when they curse him mama and papa for live video. She thought I would have a time. That dirty, smelly thing. No matter in your kitchen or yefo. I be wanna share this live video. Olakoko wife, you are useless. Fine, they discover Olakoko say he's useless and him by himself. I wish say maybe Olakoko no dey aware now. Say he no know, he's not aware. The wife just go they cheat on and we can't hear him. I for not even can't talk. Obo kan we ge o, ojo ge gboa o, ojo ge fian wewe o, ojo ge leve enu enu gu o. O ma kan me, o gba degwe guy now. This guy na very useless person o. Very useless man. Shameless. After if now some people be Olakoko, say it really gets sense. When they overcome no any wine, abio or no wine no what corner in mind. As this thing happens, so Olakoko supposed cover his face with shame. He's supposed cover his face with shame. He shamelessly came out and was telling people, "Hey, Mary." To my people all over the world, ave godmother me ni ya zera ni ya zije, ave godfather, ave fancy me, wala wo, warigo ni ya azo bo ki ya dewe, ya dogi, ya denye, ya ave seto ave gbe wala Secretary Vola, I can't remember your land here, donate women. So, Olakoko, they use one while we land all this while when we may have built a buese. Who make over county no ya Nigeria no ya the tickets. You are a shameless man. Please feel free to call in. Let's hear your opinion. Jeje man. Hello.
Hello. Hello. How you doing today?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Wow. Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening.
Patrick. Yeah. You know, I've been watching your movie. I'm calling from UK. All right.
All right.
Yeah, I've been watching a lot of the movies.
Thank you so much.
You're people. You're the best writer of movies, and you know how to direct very much. I'll be hoping to see you someday. But the thing I don't know the pronunciation of the name. Something that's old Olakoko. I don't know.
Olakoko. Oh, his name is Olakoko. Kelvin Olagwe.
Olakoko. Okay, Olakoko. What's the meaning of Olakoko? Does it have a meaning like that? Because I think I've never heard about that kind of a name before. I've never heard about such a name in my life. Does it really have a meaning?
That's his name.
Wow, that name looks like a size. It looks it's something. I think it's insane. That guy needs the psychiatric hospital attention.
I swear.
Yeah. That guy is mad. He can do that to his wife. His wife doesn't even have sense. Two blind people working together. Like, come on, that's bullshit. I don't like that. No, I don't like that.
He was peeping his wife for people to come and make out with.
He's a police person. He doesn't have sense. He's a maroon. He's a maroon with capital letter. He doesn't have sense. That guy is crazy.
I swear down.
That guy is a dead cops working. I don't like him. I don't like anything about that dude. Ugly someone. Guy is too ugly. He's not even cute. He's not even. I even wonder what the woman saw in him in the first. Anyways, my. And I want you to send your account number to me so that I'll do it transfer of £500 for you. Okay, so I can use that to support.
Sorry, sir. Can you say that? What did you say? Say that again, please. What did you say?
Yeah, I wanted to support you with a small £500. Okay, so.
Really?
Account details to me right away. Okay, so I'll do it right away.
Oh my God! See, okay, is this okay? Can I reach you through this number?
Yeah, you can reach me.
Okay. Right thank you so much. I'll reach out to you after this live video.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Wait, let this caller not use me play. When you hear that we are go me. Did you just hear that? £500. Hey, God, who they? La, Nika saving up a caller before I forget. This one deserves to be saved. Or Olakoko, what my not marry? That he's not supposed to marry. Caller UK guy. Okay. Guys. I pray may not be audio money. This £500 go do a lot of this for me. We need to see support Olakoko brand now. Nah. We need to support Olakoko brand. I'm sorry, my people. My godmother call inside. Hello.
Hello, beautiful lady.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Can you lower your audio, please? I'm hearing my voice.
Okay, let me call back.
I can hear you now.
Audio, please. I'm hearing my voice.
Please call back. I beg if una want call, make una dey lower the phone until they watch me first. Guys, we got £500. So the Zuzu. Hey, oh. Yeah, what for Lord on up. He say Olakoko no suppose marry. He say he don't know why his wife go marry that kind of husband. But the thing is, birds on the same feather flocks together. Olakoko, have you seen your life? Have you seen how the table has turned around? Have you seen how karma has catch up with you? When you dey run your mouth on live videos, when you dey misbehave anyhow on live videos, I go dey look you. I'll say this one as small pikin. If people call me, Ebony, now you Olakoko you dey call so. Also say I had to warn all my friends, everybody that knows me, that anytime when Olakoko mention my name, Mona not tell me, Mona leave. And what did mommy say?
Okay, he said the visitor slept, so just want to come out.
Okay, I'm on live video already. Do you understand, guys? So now, so God take punish Olakoko. See her for outside now, but some before this time, he dey make mouths. Hey, Zion ladies, Ebony Asaba, Zion ladies. Una na unhwe manek boy. Umie manu ya dekun. Umie aru evanuga ye ni go on social media. Umaemieni Olakoko. We are refia who my brother. They no mana kiere ve nonsense nuna. They no mana kiere Olakoko. What are refia who ve nuna? He say we are Imaera no metie bonwe de. Kenu ya dwe kinudo. Imaera kekege. Onagyo se. Olakoko dejuge o. Olakoko u dejuge o agbe o. Uberagbon Olakoko. Olakoko is a disgrace, yo. Disgrace, yo. Olakoko is a disgrace, yo. Oh, Jejele. Olakoko is a bala blue. A blue. Tinubu. Olakoko, you are a Tinubu. You are a Tinubu. Uma show love. Uma show love. You are a bala blue. Blue. Ulaba. You are a Tinubu. Wa call you, wa give a gisty. Make una come, make you gist. But what get Olakoko? He's a bala blue. Lawa. Shameless hippopotamus. Roasted corn. Town hall. Hulaba. Bala blue. Blue. Olakoko, as disgrace wears you clothes, so if you see as the way body they sweet me, as it they sweet me, he they pay them, as it they pay that, or it they sweet me. Olakoko, it they sweet you, it they pay. Azara, you are a bala blue, hulaba, taho, roasted corn. That's who you are. Hola cow. Agbeo, get new yari negwe. Hola cow. Is that a name? You are a carton. You are a balabla. Rubbish. Olakoko. You see your life? Olakoko is a gotio. Olakoko is a gotio. Oh, Jenjele. Olakoko is a muguo. Olakoko is a muguo. Oh, Jenjele. Olakoko is a balablu. Olakoko is a balablu. Oh, Jenjele. Rubbish. Hello.
Hello, yeah.
Oh, God, you don't feel know my voice. Me, I know they hear my voice. Me, I dey hear only your voice.
I dey hear your voice now.
But me, they hear my voice for background.
But I can hear your voice.
Oh, God, if you cannot talk while you're not hearing my voice at the background, end the call. What's happen? If you want toast me. Why you want to hear my voice? They talk. Blue. Olakoko. Upege wo sabwa You prefer we o Olakoko. Ubego salopoari ukpe farwa we o Olakoko ugale imigwiwa Olakoko ugiri agboni goye o Olakoko ukiale imigwiwa Olakoko ugwogwe o Olakoko ukiakun dide yokere hewu Olakoko iva bokian lawe gbe o uri agbari ave uri agbon ni goje o Olakoko ukian deve wa o Olakoko uri agbon ni goje o Olakoko ukiako un dide yokere o Olakoko uri agbon ni goje o Olakoko uri agbon ni goje menu aya kun di dokere wa ide o de gbira to pin me na o sipa lo o te onu te reze gbu o gbe de pin you are a carton you are a mosquito coil how were who are you who do you think you are who the fuck do you think you are Olakoko who the hell do you think you are you are shameless. Ooh, way. Ooh, way. Ooh, Uncle Gwe. Ekwo mi joba. Eki ane twin.
Oh, Ebony. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, sir.
Tanya. Saya ga bolo kukulo ware ubu.
Baba, emi no ko Olakoko uni. Nana ya wo bo kan ejo a oni. Bi ave ke e baba. O bi awe be ki.
O se no wari aga tuta. De gbo tuta iwa ile mu lo.
Huh?
Invest ole o no we kuripo.
O me versia. All have a niki boy.
Àwọn invest ole ya ko kure la video kugbe wa.
Imaye ya de baba. Iye we. Imaye ya be live video there. But ni megi do ke bo e no une ja no na beg go.
Here view.
Iye ga igba e de live video we have 200 views. Useless people.
Every 200 50 wa.
Can you imagine? Or is there son no kekere ne kia e dan for ne kia e twin. Oye twin, won be wo san yo sabe gbe ne live video yen we kia we wa obi ana. Oye twin. Olakoko de juvo o de juvo u be we so boya disgrace e ni o fa gbe wa ide so boya wo ma aswa iswa mani o ma we say baba ide ivio bone kere akevie
okay la mara
Olakoko the shameless man. Olakoko the small prick. Olakoko the demon. Olakoko the jobless man. Olakoko the bearded man. No mami go ya gbeto. Iyo papa ni ya unu e. O eto we ni no ho anu na ye na omeme ni. Ya gwalo ma no ri go ya gbeto. Ore nu de ticket ni wa je Nigeria ade. O sa bo no gele mi go ya de ticket. Nu ge do zo no ma na ju tag ware no kuma na gbo yupo ma na keko gu. Hello?
Right? I want to know.
Hello? Good evening.
This, I don't know what you're for. This bitter soul. When I hear what she will open my phone, talk about our fellow woman.
Oma, a new name, okay? Okay. That's true. They say, man, no, they advertise again. May no come, they get plenty views. Instead of Olakoko, they call her Uncle Gwe. Who does that name? Uncle Gwe or the Uncle Gwe ma? Uncle Gwe Ogwama. Uncle Gwe. Yes. Uncle Gwe. or a new Olakoko from today. So when you see message to Uncle Gwe, and then Olagwe, Gwe, ew, Olagwe, Gwe, ew, Olagwe, Gwe, hey, Olagwe, Gwe, hey, Uncle Gwe. Back you another name. Which other name? I'm gonna give me name now. Or the useless husband. Oh, the useless husband. Or the jobless man. Mona choose na Uncle Gwe or useless jobless man. Which one good pass? Mona choose. Jobless man or Uncle again.
I bet with the useless husband.
Yes. Somebody say Olakoko Asaba. Agwa. I don't need that for Asaba. The Gala people they go Asaba. I bet you the useless husband. No, the most useless husband ever. Ima wa mo what in there. I bet you the useless husband. That's his new name. So we don't endorse him. So whenever you see me say, I bet you the useless husband. Na be the honor bet you. I bet you ni aye atie here. Jeje husband. Jeje man. Or jeje fo. Useless. Nonsense. Ne no wo kan. O be hohua. Abo ma de ajaji. Even no my no. I bet you husband. I bet you wife. If he baby here, we'll see they call him useless husband. The useless husband, no. The useless husband, no. Ragbetu, I tell the useless husband. Or the foolish husband. Or the pimp. The pimp. No, the pimp too classy. I bet you. Woshida. Ogweni ki kevi olagwe. Gonyani. Uwo washa Uwo washa kevi. Stay out of trouble Ukeregbe. Uwa muemu bia mo everybody who are sagaema innocent people on social media. It don't make sense. Stop him. Karma is a bitch. This is Nemesis. Nemesis has catch up with you. Nemesis just caught up with you right now. Olakoko, ogun ragwe ne, ori salowo kan o, uwa eveva, uwa kiande hie kwa o. Olakoko, iwo ogun ragwe ne, ori rie ni isago ragwe, ori rie na son o. Ukiamyumwa Erunda o umashoe love you are bala blue ulaba. Wow. Rubbish man. You will come out on live to constitute nuisance. You were insulting an innocent person for over 7 months for no reason. Kelvin Olagwe, you don't deserve mercy. Utu de la depression. Uga latian la koko latian noue. Uga latian me latian noue. You are a vagabond. You don't deserve mercy. You are a bastard. Olakoko, ogun ragwe ne, ori gbawo kan o. Ogun ragwe ne, ori gbawo kan o. Erunda o, uwa o, unari owo kan we, unari elevo o. Obiagade, ori nake o, omeme gade. Osolone, ibesadigare, osolone, ole morokovo, osalo woto. Ana huo vuhanjuao. Ana huo vuhanjuao. You are a bala blue. Blue. Hulaba. You are a town hall. A roasted corn. I think I will end it here, guys. But the guy is a stupid guy. He's a stupid guy, sorry. This is the script. We are going to be writing a movie titled Odonohohua or Okmiozuo or